Let's do a tier list of car brands 2023. First up, Nissan B, BMW A, C tier, Ford F tier, Ford F, makes a lot of sense. Volkswagen, they got the Beetle, they got really cool vans back in the day, clear A tier. Fubar, no, I'm kidding, I know it's Subaru. I know that much. Oh, Subaru. Trying to place it above Nissan, lagging a little bit. You know how it goes. Kia, B tier. Lamborghini, S tier. Fiat, I don't even know. Does Fiat just make SUVs? Who knows? Who cares? Honda, C tier. Ferrari, B tier. Volvo, B tier. They make some decent cars. Above Fiat. Suzuki, they got some variety going. A tier. Aston Martin, James Bond. Hey, I would like a James Bond mobile. Let's go top of A tier. Mitsubishi, not as good as Rikishi from WWE. Mazda's okay. Lotus, what even is this? Hyundai, it's like the sideways Honda. Don't read too much into that. Chrysler, the vehicle of the old. C tier. Top of C tier though. Jeep, if you want a vehicle that will looks the same as a vehicle from 60 years ago, if that's your thing. I mean, I get it, but I kind of don't get it at the same time. They got plastic windows. C tier makes me think of plastic. I mean, the word ends in a C, right? Toyota. Who doesn't like Toyotas? Good on gas, sturdy. People are rocking like 20-year-old Toyotas. Always a good call to go with Toyota. GM. Also, old people vehicle. Just seeing the logo makes me think of the seatbelt button. GM, top of, no, put it below BMW. I'll put it below Volkswagen. Probably Suzuki too. I had it in the right spot. Benz. I don't know if they give you the Benz. Oh Lord. Top of B tier. The Mini Cooper. Bottom of A tier. Skoda. What is Skoda Auto? Like, is this some European crap? Let's put the Euro crap down in D tier. Lexus. I don't care about a Lexus. No one cares about a Lexus. I think this is Audi. It's not any, it's Audi. There you have it. S tier. Lambo, Toyota. One is nice and flashy. The other is nice and sturdy. It'll get you where you're going. It'll get you where you're going for a long time. and it's real cheap on gas. I assume Lambos are not cheap on gas. A lot of maintenance, a lot of cost associated. Well, we're not all rich. I'm not rich. I'm not rich at all.